The Blink home security camera system with Sync Module 2 is the best camera system on the market in 2021. Well, let's talk about it.
This is Mihai
And I'm Alex.
with Tech Squeeze, where we keep you savvy with all things tech.
Over the last decade, the home security camera system market has blown up. Technology's gotten better, devices have gotten smaller, more affordable, and easier to use.
The days of overly complicated home security cameras are dead. Amazon introduces Blink Outdoor, their own home security camera system, boasting an impressive 4.5-star rating out of 27,700 reviews. This $199 system is a game changer in the home security.
Basically brought technology only found in closed circuit camera systems into your home, but no longer is it necessary to invest in a system that's complicated and overpriced.
Compact and feature rich, it really simplifies what used to be only for the tech savvy.
If you're looking to purchase the Blink camera system, the basic camera kit includes 3 outdoor wireless cameras and the Sync Module 2. Those 3 cameras and the Sync Module 2 will set you back about $250 US, and that's with the batteries included.
It has 110-degree field of vision,
Sharp 1080p video, and the ability to take pictures, as well as motion detection, 2-way audio for real-time communication,
It also has infrared night vision for when the lights are off or the darker months of the year.
and most importantly, they're designed to set up within minutes without the use of a professional. Now, assuming you need more cameras, there's also 3 different cameras you can buy as add-ons for your system. For $35 US, you can get an indoor wired camera. For $80 US, you get an indoor wireless camera, and the outdoor version will set you back about $90 US. Keep in mind the outdoor one is both weatherproof and also has temperature monitoring, so you can figure out how cold or warm it is outside before you leave the house.
One main feature to note is that it works with Alexa.
The system works great with Amazon Alexa and works fluidly for that matter. You can arm and disarm the system whenever you want. You can even use a plug-in so you're able to use your Fire Stick and watch your camera system on your TV so you don't have to use your phone. Now, the best comparable competitor in this space is by a company called Eufy, but their system includes just 2 cameras and the home base unit, and it'll set you back about $280 US, significantly more expensive, as well as having a significantly bigger base compared to the Sync Module 2. On some of these systems, you have no choice but to pay for the cloud. It was necessary and mandatory. You couldn't use your camera without paying for the cloud. Now things are a little bit different, and that's what makes this Blink system so revolutionary.
Storage-wise, there's 2 options. The first one comes at no additional charge. You use the Sync Module 2 that's included in the kit, and a USB flash drive or an external USB hard drive. Now, neither one of those are included in the kit, so I highly recommend, if you want to go for the free option, go pick up a USB flash drive from your local electronics store or a USB hard drive. Each one of those has their pros and cons. The USB hard drive is going to offer a lot more space, but it's also going to take up a little more space and may require power. The USB flash drive, on the other hand, you just plug and you're ready to go. So one thing to keep in mind here is, in order to actually record footage, you're gonna need one of those external drives, whether it's the USB flash drive or the external hard drive. You can use the Sync Module 2 by itself with no external storage to view what's going on in real time, but you don't have the ability to record or store any of that footage. So you've chosen to maybe use a flash drive or a hard drive. Now you have the ability to sync up to 10 cameras and record the footage, take pictures, store all that stuff.
Some of the negatives or cons that come with the Blink system include the following. Although it works with Alexa, it's not compatible with Google Home out of the box, but there is a workaround using IFTTT, or If This Then That. It's an app that you can install on your phone to communicate with your Google Home. In that, you can actually have geolocation signals, so when you leave the home, it'll actually arm your unit on command, or when you come into your home or in the area surrounding your home, you'll be able to disarm the unit. Another negative is that with heavy usage, you're not going to get 2 years out of the batteries, so plan on having an extra set of 2 AA batteries. Lastly is needing a hard drive for storage or additional storage on your device, but that's an easy fix with the purchase of a flash drive or a external hard drive. So in conclusion, is the Blink camera system really worth it? In our eyes, it is, because you're getting a really good security system for your home at a really good price point. It's potentially life-saving, say in the event of a catastrophic fire when you're not at your home. Look, we feel it's probably the best bang for your buck, probably the best camera system on the market for your home in 2021. And honestly, for less than getting your daily Starbucks, it's getting you home security on your house. If you found value in this video, make sure you smash that like button below. If you like this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for any time we put out new videos.